All right, let's do this. Oh, get my keys. Thanks for tuning into BBQ. Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of BBQ It. BBQ It. Your host, Craig Kimberly, your host. Here's my hat. Meat belongs outside. Watch how easy this is gonna be. Ship it up. Two beautiful organic chickens. Advanced play on the stuffed jalapeno. Up to the stall or maybe through it. The chicken scratch. And these are the greatest things on the planet. That kickstarts this pit barrel. Time, temperature, and technique. Now time, temperature, and technique. In temp, we're trying to be around 325. All right, we gotta hustle and get this thing wrapped. All right, hot and fast brisket. It's time to flip. Get one of those chunks there. BBQ It on the road. I wanted to come down to Beale Street. Super Bowl of swine, it's about to go down. Just page me, hit me on my beeper. Yeah. Had a barbecue right. What is up, brother?
How you doing, man?
How you doing, man?
All bets are off.
It's one of the best teams out here. Now we're behind the scenes. Stan Hayes from Operation Barbecue Relief. I would say rib number one is a go. Cheers. Chef Dan Lane, Team Grand Smoke Railroad. BBQ It, Grand Smoke Railroad, making it happen. Harpoon Barbecue Fest.
Grand Champion, Smoking Hogs Barbecue.
Yeah, that's how it's done, baby!
Ah, dude, I think this is awesome.
Some of the best smokers in the world. The Hartford 10th Annual Rib Off.
In second place, we have Grand Smoke Railroad.
We've gone through the process of prepping our steaks.
3649.
All right, we're Grand Smoke Railroad.
5 hours. Boom, there it is. That is just so damn good, it's ridiculous.